Check the alignment on panel 42. Looks slightly warped, but within tolerance. I'll mark it down.
Is the alignment holding steady on section 3? The sensors are showing green, well within tolerance.
Look at the stress metrics on screen 3. We should adjust the torque settings on the next cycle. Bring it down 50 millimeters. Hydraulics engaging. Stand by for final position. Alignment confirmed. Looks good. Lock it in place. Hold the sequence. Robot 7 is showing an alignment error on section 14. Alignment looks good on my side. Confirmed. Engaging locks 1 and 2. Clear to secure. Alignment check initiated. Laser shows green. Confirmed green. Proceeding with the primary bolts. Route the blue wire to connector C, then secure the harness clamp.
Confirmed. Moving to the next section after this one.
Is the alignment holding steady? Yes, the laser shows green across the axis. Go ahead and secure the bolts.
Wiring harness 7 alpha is connected and secured.
Confirmed green across all primary flight displays. System check complete.
Lift it higher on your end. All right, hold it steady there.
Approaching alignment. Hold steady. Confirmed. Lock it in.
The flow rate matches the specs on this section. Good. Monitor the humidity levels near the tail.
External power connected and stable. We're ready for the cockpit initialization. Copy that. Running the diagnostics now. Screens are lighting up. As you can see, the pressure systems are well within the green zone. Structural integrity is confirmed.
Perfect. The cabin stability test is a success.
takeoff thrust.
Set 80 knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate.
Telemetry shows structural strain on the port wing. Recommend immediate level out. Roger that. Leveling out now.
Thrust stabilized. Verify altitude hold.
Altitude hold verified. Setting course 290.
Bay 3, container sequence is approaching the transfer point. Confirmed Fabrica control. Initiating crane sequence now.
This cabin is incredible.
I know, I can't wait to see the rest of it.